Hi, and welcome to iSecure CCTV tutorials. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how CCTV system works using Siamese coaxial cable implementation. These are the materials: CCTV camera, DVR, Siamese coaxial cable, splitter with power adapter, monitor, and the hard drive. This DVR contains an HDD. Plug the power adapter to the power socket and then attach the DC connector of the coaxial cable. After this, you may now plug the BNC of the coaxial cable to the DVR. The coaxial cable has two plugs. One is the DC connector for the power, and the other one is the BNC connector for video data. On the other end of the coaxial cable, you may now connect the BNC and DC connector to the CCTV camera. To view the video data, you must connect the VGA cable from the monitor to the DVR. And now, you may now power up the DVR and the monitor.